Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your keyboard and a Mapper app so input registers correctly. Plug USB or pair Bluetooth, then open the Mapper. You do this because Vice City on Android reads touch, not raw key codes. Once the app requests accessibility or overlay permission, grant it so mappings can inject touches. Make sure game FPS is stable. Inconsistent frame timing makes inputs feel laggy. When done, create a new profile targeted at the Vice City package name. Now you build the actual bindings. Open your profile and place mapping points over the on-screen joystick and buttons. You should map movement keys to the joystick center and actions like fire or sprint to the corresponding screen buttons. This ensures consistent input translation. Once placed, test hold versus tap sensitivity because some actions require press and hold. Save the profile with a clear name, then toggle it active before launching Vice City. So the Mapper injects touches in-game, fine-tune sensitivity and dead zone so steering and aiming feel natural. Small adjustments make a big difference. Switch profiles for vehicle controls if turning and acceleration need separate setups. If keys drift or stop working, first toggle the overlay off and on, then restart the Mapper app. This fixes most alignment or permission glitches. Finally, make sure Android power or memory optimizers aren't killing the Mapper. Lock the app in recents to keep mappings active during long sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.